Thinking about selling your home in California? You've probably heard about the MLS, or multiple listing service. It's the backbone of the real estate market, a powerful database that connects sellers with agents, brokers, and eager buyers. Getting your home on the MLS is one of the smartest moves you can make for maximum exposure. But what's the best way to get listed, especially if you want to keep more of your hard-earned equity? Let's walk through your options and the practical steps you'll need to take. First, let's talk about the MLS itself. In California, there are several regional MLS systems that cover different areas. Think of them as the online marketplaces where agents and buyers search for homes. When your property is listed on the MLS, it's not just visible to local agents. It's also syndicated to popular websites like Zillow and realtor.com, putting your home in front of thousands of potential buyers. Traditionally, most sellers worked with a real estate agent who handled the entire process: pricing, marketing, showings, negotiations, and paperwork. In exchange, you'd pay a commission, usually between 4 and 6% of your home's sale price. For a typical California home, that could mean tens of thousands of dollars in fees. While the full-service approach is convenient, it's not the only option anymore. A growing number of California homeowners are turning to flat-fee MLS listing services. Here's how it works. Instead of paying a percentage-based commission, you pay a one-time fee, often less than $100, to have your home listed on the MLS. Services like listlean.com make this possible, giving you the same market reach as a traditional listing, but at a fraction of the cost. You'll still need to offer a competitive buyer's agent commission, usually around 2 to 3%, but you avoid the hefty listing agent fee. So, how do you actually list your home? Start by getting your property ready for the market. Declutter, depersonalize, and tackle those minor repairs. First impressions matter. A fresh coat of paint or updated fixtures can make a big difference without breaking the bank. Next, set your asking price. Research recent sales in your neighborhood and consider using online tools or hiring an appraiser for a more precise valuation. Now, decide which listing route fits you best. If you want hands-on guidance and don't mind paying a higher commission, a traditional agent might be right for you. If you're comfortable managing showings, fielding offers, and handling some paperwork, a flat-fee MLS service like listlean.com could save you thousands. Once you choose your listing service, gather all the necessary documents. California is known for its strict disclosure rules, so be sure to complete forms like the transfer disclosure statement and natural hazard disclosure. If your home is part of an HOA, have those documents ready too. Creating your listing is your chance to shine. Write a compelling description, highlight your home's best features, and invest in professional photos if possible. Make sure all the details, like square footage, bedroom count, and upgrades, are accurate. After your home hits the MLS, boost your reach even further. Share your listing on social media, local online groups, and put up a yard sign. Consider hosting an open house to attract more buyers. When showing requests start rolling in, be responsive and flexible. Have your disclosures ready and be prepared to negotiate. If you're not confident with negotiations, you can always seek support from a transaction coordinator or real estate attorney. Once you accept an offer, you'll move into escrow, where inspections and final paperwork take place. Work closely with your escrow or title company to ensure everything goes smoothly. When the sale closes, you'll hand over the keys and celebrate your success. In California's competitive market, keeping more of your equity is a big win. Flat-fee MLS services like listlean.com empower you to take control of your sale, reach more buyers, and save thousands in commissions. If you're ready to sell smarter and keep more of what you've earned, visit listlean.com to learn more and start your FSBO journey today.